I'm Robert Guest, and this is
Jose Noriega.
Today we're going to talk to you about DWI cases and driver's license suspensions. Now, one of the first questions we get asked in a lot of DWI consults is, I lost my license, they took it when I got arrested, they gave me this weird sheet of paper talking about a suspension. What's going to happen? Can I drive to work? And Jose, tell them what's going to happen.
So basically what will happen is that you have 15 days to request what they call an administrative license revocation. The amount of suspension will depend on whether you consented or refused a breath or blood examination of your alcohol content. So it really kind of depends on how long the suspension will be, but if you consented to it, then it would be about 90 days on a first-time offender or offense, and if you refused, then it would be about 180 days on an offense. But you do have to request that ALR hearing within 15 days. If you don't, then you're at 40 days, your license is automatically suspended. I always tell my clients, especially if they hire within that 15 days, to keep that little yellow piece of paper that you got from the police officer, just because that's going to serve as your driver's permit and license, essentially, until we have an ALR hearing. So you do always want to keep that paper with you. But does that answer your question, Robert?
It's a good answer. Now, if you get a suspension, you can get what's called an occupational license. Some people call it a work permit, and they say it's for not just work, but for essential needs, which is like taking your kids to school and going to the doctor, stuff like that. There could be restrictions on counties and times of day you drive, and we can talk to you about those. Most people are eligible for occupational licenses. There's an exclusion for people. If you have a prior DWI or a prior occupational license, you might not be eligible. You might have what's called a hard suspension, and so if you have a DWI case or if your license is suspended and you need an occupational license, call Guest & Gray. We've got a team of defense lawyers ready to help you. Thanks for watching our video. At Guest & Gray, we offer free consultations for criminal defense, probate, and family law. If there's a topic you want us to talk about, put it down in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.